Hello everyone, it's Mercedes Guy here. I'm at a junkyard today and I'm recording the washing machines here because there are some washing machines and dishwashers and dryers that are here. So yeah, starting off with a Beko 1 to 8 kg 1400 RPM spin washer. This one is modelled as WTIK 84111F, integrated washer. This one is a Indesit IS31UV VU 3 kg dryer. This one's a compact dryer, very small, with a high and low heat option, as you can see. Very cheap pricing as well. Bosch, oh that's come off. This one is a Bosch integrated washer dryer. This one doesn't have a model, but that there's just deattached. As you can see, Bosch integrated washer dryer. That one is very old one. Beko 5 kg 1200 RPM spin washer. It's got the old type Beko drum inside as well. WM5121W washer. That's a very old one, that one is. Pro Action WMNS610P washer. Shop drum inside there as well. I think that one's a 5 kg one, that one is, or 6 kg, judging by the drum size. Candy integrated dishwasher. Hisense integrated dishwasher. Well, normal dishwasher, sorry. Very similar to the one that I saw in Curry's, but obviously way older. Samsung washer, 9 kg this one is. Quite a new machine, that one is. Like one of those like newer machines, yeah. And finally, this Siemens iSensoric heat pump technology IQ300 dryer. This one's similar to Wash King 2000s. This one, but this is a extra cast one. It's sold already, so yeah. Yeah. So there we are. That's all the appliances here. This is Joe Mercedes signing out, and peace out.